Miss B, and I'm back with another video. We're here talking about Dollar General from March 13th, and I did a game deal, okay? So we got the game flings. It was 51 count. It was supposed to be 13.50, but we had a $3 off coupon, making it $10.50. Okay, we got another game flings, and it's 24 count. Usually $6.95. We had a $2 count, $2 off of that, making it $4.95. The other one was $6.95, and the other one was $6.95 because I only had one coupon in this deal for the game flings in the bag. So, okay, so the next thing was the fabric softener, and it is 90 fluid ounce. That was, I think that was $6.95. Also, and you get a $2 coupon on that, making a total of, I believe it was $34 and some change. Because we had 5 out for 25 and 5 out for 30. So I say $15 on this deal. And this was the deal that I was supposed to do, making it a total of, I paid, it was $15 that I saved. See, total 15. And the subtotal 1935 with taxes. I paid 2105 for that. That's not a good deal, but next time it'll be better because I'll have coupon for each one. This time I didn't have a coupon for two of them. 1, 2. So yeah. But other than that, the deal was pretty good. Yeah, we had a good time shopping, and it was a good little deal. But I have another deal coming up, and I'll tell you about it in a few minutes. Okay. Have a great day.